Yes! Oh, the gyms are open, people. They are open. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So, you read the title. Let's get started. Okay, so if your gyms aren't open, sorry, Ndo. Well, that doesn't mean you shouldn't watch this video, okay? Still watch it because I've got great information for you. And if you find whatever I'm gonna say in this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, alright? Join the family and just subscribe. Help boys, okay? Anyways, let's get started now. What to do? What you gonna do? You know, you're getting back to the gym, quarantine is over or it's still going on, but you still wanna, you wanna hit the gym anyways, right? Now, what you're gonna do? I would say, first of all, you should go visit your gym. Like, go visit the gym that's open. Go check out, how they're maintaining their services over there, how they're maintaining cleanliness, and how they're sensitizing. Yeah, I said it. I said sensitize. Okay, how they're making sure that Rona isn't um, uh, Rona isn't there, I mean, I don't know. It makes just go check if they're making sure everything is clean. And if they're, yeah, it's best to do this just to make sure your friends and family are not worried or something. Mom, if you're watching this, no worries, okay? It's clean. Anyways, yeah, go visit your gym. Now for the second tip. Okay, so you visited the gym, everything's cool, everyone's keeping their distance and stuff. Now you've decided, all right, I'll think about getting into it. Don't think, okay? Start now. That's the second tip. Start now. No excuses, all right? I mean, Rona could be an excuse. If you have like a grandpa or grandma or like an elderly one or someone that's susceptible to, you can use that as an excuse. That's fine for now. But if you're like me, you've got you don't have like a grandpa or anyone, so you can still go and make sure at least you don't get it, so you don't spread it, right? Just make sure you're keeping yourself, you're distancing yourself from people, 6 feet and stuff. I'm sure you already know this. Anyways, start now, okay? Okay, so before you begin working out, do me a favor. Work on your freaking mindset, all right? Don't treat your workout as a hobby. Treat it as a habit. I've mentioned this in my previous videos. I'm sure you already know. Go watch it. I'll put the link somewhere. Yeah, just make sure you know what you're doing over there and make sure you stick to it, okay? Make sure that brings me now to my next tip. Set a goal, okay? Have a set goal. You want to stay consistent and do not miss out. Even if you miss your days in the gym, don't let it bother you or don't let it affect you. Still, you can still go work out the next day, and don't overwork yourself because you missed a day. Don't do that. So that just work out the same way you would work out any other day and just set a goal. And if you need a buddy, like a workout buddy to keep you motivated, to keep your head in the game, yeah, get one. Get a friend, get a family, get a family, get someone in your family to go with you to work out. And well, here's to people that are living in Abbotsford. I'm living in Abbotsford too, Canada. If you are, I'm going to Club 16, and that's gonna be my workout, my gym for now. So if you need a workout buddy, I'll be there. And I don't know I don't know the specific time that I'm gonna be there. I'm just gonna be there whenever I can. And if we happen to meet, sure. But I'll be your workout buddy if you want. And yeah, that's just to the Abbotsfordians. That's a very weird name. Anyways, moving on to my next tip now. Okay, so now you're ready to hit the gym, you're ready to get your gains going, you're ready to get your guns looking great. Now what the heck are you gonna do, right? You enter the gym. what the heck is this equipment used for? What am I supposed to do here? Or how do I even start? So don't before you even go, don't be nervous, okay? Because when you feel nervous, when you get there, you get overwhelmed. And yeah, it's not great. But here's the thing, people go to the gym to work out, okay? They're not gonna be going there. I mean, maybe some people would, but they're not gonna be going there to laugh at you or anything. Like, even if you're doing something stupid or something funny, they'll always try to correct you or anything. So don't be nervous. Just go to the gym. With time, you get used to it. With time, you get used to how the equipment work, how to operate them. In terms of operating them, I don't know about the equipment in other countries, but in Canada, the equipment, in order to adjust them, you just look for yellow or red. Uh, what is the word? Red something that can be used to operate the equipment to adjust the weight and stuff. Okay, so that's just keep that in mind. And now moving on to my next tip, ask questions. Okay, don't go there and not just ask questions, also um, ask questions and also watch, look. Okay, don't just go there and do crazy things. Okay, observe and look at what other people are doing and try to follow. Okay, that way you get used to things over there. If you don't know what you're doing or what to do, just ask questions. People are always happy to help you out. Okay, and yeah, just ask questions. Next one. Okay, now you want to start lifting. Before you start, if you've been working out before, I would suggest starting with small weights, okay? You never know where your strength level is at. I mean, if you haven't been working out at home and you've been sitting down doing nothing and you want to start working out, start small, all right? Because with time, your strength's gonna decrease. I mean, your muscles are not gonna be as strong as they were before. So you wanna like start small and build up to it again. See, if you start small, okay, this weight is too small. You increase it again, and then you know where you're at, and you work towards getting bigger and getting bigger weights and getting bigger muscles. So start with small weights, okay? Very important. Don't go carrying something heavy and break a back or break an arm. So be careful. Let's say, for example, you see a chiquito, chiquita, a lady, walking out and you're trying to impress her, right? And you go carrying a very heavy weight. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen lots of funny videos. You already know what's gonna happen, and it's not always great. So start small. Okay, I forgot to mention the next tip. Supposed to be the fourth one or the third one, or I don't know. But have a good meal before you work out. Okay, have a really good meal. And let's say eat it an hour before you start working out. Okay, and when I mean a good meal, don't go eat a chocolate bar and start working out, because I find it very hard to work out when I'm hungry. I mean, the moment I feel hungry, I feel weak, I just stop. So you want to eat before, so you make you get to do whatever you want to do. You get to do everything you want to do in the gym before you leave. So have a nice meal, have a good meal. So after working out, you build up those muscles, and yeah. And my next tip now, supplements. Okay, take your protein supplements. I would honestly highly encourage you do that. Why? Proteins build muscle, right? So you want to make sure your muscles are actually getting bigger, and you're replacing the fat. So build up your muscle. If you need a good protein powder and you're living in Canada, all you gotta do is send me a message on Facebook, Instagram, wherever, and I'll help you get one. There are lots of protein powders out there. Most of them are not great. Most are not great for the stomach. Most of them don't taste great. So I feel your pain. It's hard to decide on the best one. And if you need help, just let me know. So that's all you gotta do. Oh man, I sing great. Okay, the last and final tip: go forth and work out. Go get those gains going, bro. Lady, girl, boy, man, whatever. Yeah, go forth and work out now. And yeah, you've made it to the end of this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and share if you like, if you enjoyed this video. That you're doing me a solid if you like it, if you subscribe to. And thank you again for watching. Thank you for listening to me. I know it was hard. Okay, I'll see you in my next video, which would be in a gym. Okay, so stay tuned for that. This might be this is gonna be the last video you're gonna see in the house before I transition to the gym. But it's not gonna be I mean, it's not going to be the last, but for now it's the last. Okay, before in future I'm still gonna do some home workout videos. So, but most of it is gonna be the gym videos. Okay, now bye. Thank you for watching.